Clean the recovery tank. Remove the drain pipe. Drain the wastewater. Take out the filter screen and filter basket from the sewage tank. It thoroughly with clean water. Lower the filter basket. Open the water baffle cover. Drain the clean water tank. Close the water baffle cover after draining. Remove the magnetic brush roller. Clean any dirt on the brush. Then rinse the brush with water. Then install it in place. Then remove the squeegee. Disconnect the vacuum hose. Wipe the squeegee blade with a towel. Or rinse it directly with water. Release the latch. Loosen the anti-collision wheel nuts and remove the 2 anti-collision wheels. Remove the 2 locking plates from the squeegee blade. Then remove the squeegee blade. Then flip the squeegee blade upside down. Then align the holes on the squeegee blade. Then reinstall the 2 locking plates onto the squeegee blade. Finally, lock the latch. Align the 2 anti-rotation wheels. Tighten the screws and nuts. We install the squeegee onto the machine. Use a multi-purpose cleaner or a damp cloth to wipe the machine. Charge the battery. It is necessary to use the machine for more than 30 minutes before charging. Remove and clean the filter screen. Clean the top of the battery to prevent motor corrosion. Also check whether the battery wiring is loose. Inspect and clean the sewage tank cover seal. Spray lubricant on the chain. Finally, check if all nuts and bolts on the machine are loose.